Hi everyone, I'm Alvin and it's currently 6:50 a.m. here in San Francisco, so a very good morning to you all. Today I will be making my way to Tokyo, Japan on board United in their Premium Plus cabin. Now this is the first time I've been going back to Asia since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, so pretty excited to be going back to Asia. This is the Aloft SFO hotel right beside the Westin. Hot.
I've been chasing you like the tail of a dog. I don't get no sleep when we kiss in the
All
dark.
packed, ready to go.
I just love the way it feels. Yeah, I know it's bad, but I can't resist. When I look in your eyes, I don't know what is real. All I know is that I could go anywhere as long as you're with me. Oh, I'm drunk and I know it, but
As we were traveling on a Premium Plus fare, we didn't have any access to lounges here at SFO, so we decided to grab some breakfast at one of the restaurants. Today we'll be flying United's Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. I was hoping for the new livery for the bright blue engines, but unfortunately, no luck today. The G2 gates don't have much of a view of our plane, so here's another identical looking Dreamliner loading up at gate G4. Here is my seat, 22L, a Premium Plus seat upholstered in this deep royal purple color, which I thought was really sleek. Every seat has 38 inches of pitch, 19 inches of width, and 6 inches of recline. United's Premium Plus cabin on their Dreamliners features a 232 seating configuration. What immediately stood out to me was this large 13.3-inch touchscreen display, which looked really crisp and high quality. Awaiting you on the seat is United's Amenity kit offering Buy Away. We'll take a look at the contents a little later. A blanket and pillow were provided by Saks Fifth Avenue. A pair of nicely padded slippers are provided. Being 5'7" in height, the legroom situation for me was very comfortable. Let's start the seat tour from the IFE screen, which was very responsive and intuitive to use. Beneath the screen is the literature pocket, which contained the in-flight magazine, some credit card offers, the safety card, and a sickness bag. Below that was a leather pouch which held the noise-canceling headphones. A footrest can be extended for additional comfort during flight. Below the armrest, you'll find the seat controls and the Wi-Fi controller. The center armrest can flip up to expose the narrow storage pocket where you'll find the universal power outlet and headphone jack. The outer armrest houses a tray table, which pops up by pulling this latch and swings out like so. The tray table can be moved forwards and backwards. It also incorporates a creative solution for people who want to use the table as a phone or a tablet stand. The tray table provides ample surface area and was very sturdy. As many of you know, the Dreamliner doesn't have any window shades and instead uses dimmable technology, which can produce an annoying tint when darkened. I love the fact that adjustable air nozzles are provided. At the time of this video, many COVID measures were still in place, so we wiped down our seating surfaces with the provided sanitizing wipes. While I was waiting for departure, I played around with the seat recline and the leg rest.
The passenger seatbelt, slide the metal edge into the buckle, tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle early. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened low and tight across your lap.
This Boeing 787 has 8 exit doors, 4 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are open in an emergency, slide rafts will automatically inflate. In a water line, slide rafts detach from the aircraft and are used as life rafts. All 8 exits are marked on the right side. As you locate the 2 exits here for speed, remember, they may be behind you.
And you'll find a life vest of choice with the water-activated light and attached suspender.
Wi-Fi is available on the flight. There is a free messaging option, which is a nice touch. If you need anything heavier duty, you'll need to pay $3.99 for an hour or $24.99 for the full flight. The Saks Fifth Avenue blanket was quite soft and comfortable, as were the plush slippers provided. The headrest can be adjusted with the sides folded in for additional head support when sleeping. I really liked that the IFE gave you an overview of what to expect throughout the flight. As mentioned earlier, the IFE was very intuitive to use and responsive to the touch. Navigating the menus was easy, and the number of movies and TV shows to choose from was abundant. The in-flight air show is provided by FlightPath 2D. Shortly after takeoff, a snack and drink service was provided. Here are the noise-canceling headphones provided. The headphones were comfortable to wear and had a nice cushioning over the ear. Here is United's Away-branded Amenity pouch that you get on Premium Plus. The contents include Sunday Riley hand cream and lip balm, an eye mask, socks, dental kit, and earplugs. I took a quick visit to the lavatories in the economy section before the meal service began. Nothing too special about it, it was a pretty standard, cleanly washroom. Here's a brief look at the economy cabin with seats in a 333 configuration. About an hour after departure, the first meal was served. We had a choice between chicken or ravioli. I got the chicken while Peterson got the ravioli. On the side, you get a salad with some sesame ginger dressing, bread, and ice cream for dessert. Both the chicken and ravioli were decent, but I'd say the better choice was the ravioli. By the time I got to the ice cream, it was half melted. If you're not full after the meal, you can also grab some snacks from the galley. After the meal, the crew dimmed the windows to give people a chance to rest. I lazily watched a few movies while taking short naps in between to pass the time. As we approached Japan, the cabin mood lights came on again to wake people up for the arrival meal. Breakfast, eggs were served alongside potatoes, sausage, salsa, a fruit platter, and a bagel. I got a cup of coffee as well to wake myself up. The approach into Tokyo Narita was pretty uneventful, and soon enough we touched down on Japanese soil after many years of not stepping foot on Asia. Overall, everything was quite nice about the flight. I was quite impressed by the hard product. The seat was comfortable, spacious, and looked great. The quality of the display was top-notch, and the movie selection was abundant. The food was decent, but not memorable by any means. The crew were also friendly and welcoming. And with that, it's time to wrap up another trip report. To my existing subscribers, thank you for sticking around despite the lack of content the last few months. I've been busy moving to a new condo, and renovations took up pretty much all my time. Going forward, I should be able to get back to a semi-regular release schedule. If you're new here, I hope you enjoyed the video and will consider subscribing to the channel, as I've got plenty more trip reports in the months ahead. Thanks for watching, happy travels, and I'll see you in the next one.